in this presidency of mine, wala akong dreams dito. But when I said, I will stake my honor, my life, and my presidency, ito. I can retire to the let go of the presidency tomorrow and be happy with my life. But I have a problem for my country because I was elected by 5 million Filipinos with a sheer margin of 6 million. Saan ka nakakita yan? Hindi nila ako kilala. Wala akong pera, wala akong makinarya. So saan ko kinuha yung 6 million na nagsabi na because the messaging was there. Yung 6 million na hindi ako kilala, ang alam nila, I said, there will be no corruption in government. And rest assured, ngayon na, sinasabi ko, itaya mo yan, there will be no corruption in this government.